Hello everyone, this is Josiebel and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to decorate my glass tissue holder with decoupage and deer napkin. Here's what you will need to get started. All of these things can be found at craft stores. First, I separate the tulip picture from the white paper. Cut the picture, and I use paintbrush and water to trim the edges. Avoid applying the water on the parts of the design you want to keep. Gently tear away at the napkin and make sure not to rip your design. Use the other side of the brush to remove the smaller parts. Using your glass bowl, eyeball where you want to cut the paper so it doesn't overlap with the bottom. You can use any small box to hold your glass while applying the tissue. Start applying your decoupage near the middle and work your way towards the sides. Let it dry. Your glass should look something like this when it's done drying. Keep applying your designs around the side of the ball. Now I'm finishing up my third tulip. After, let it dry for 3 to 4 hours, or to be sure it is ready, let it sit overnight. This glass tissue holder is perfect in any part of your house, especially your own bathroom, and it would be perfect as a Mother's Day gift. Now that you've seen what you can do with decoupage, here are some other examples. For this one, I put it on an old bottle and wrap it with twine to make a nice vase. You can even use different types of paper, such as tissue. Using your painter's tape, mask off the front of the glass. For this design, I crumpled the tissue in order to get a new texture. Just as before, I glue some decorative twine onto the glass. Thank you for watching. I hope this video inspired you to make some nice DIY. To all the moms watching, I wish you a pleasant Mother's Day. Bye for now.